Today we are going to divide fractions. Now when we divide fractions, it's very similar to multiplying, except we have one extra very important step, and that is to flip the second fraction. So we do like this. We first flip the second fraction, then we change it to a multiplication problem. That way it helps us to remember not to forget to flip it. So now we're going to simply do like it's multiplication. So we're going to multiply our numerators, multiply our denominators. 9 times 7 is 63. 8 times 4 is 32. Now we notice that this is an improper fraction. Our numerator is larger than our denominator. So we need to divide and see how many times 32 will go into 63. So what I know we set up over here. We know 32 times 1 is 32. 32 times 2 is 64. Oh, we went over. That's as far as we need to go. We're going to subtract out 32 because that's as close without going over to the 63 that we have. And we end up with 31. So our answer is 1 because it went in one time. Okay, because 1 times 32 gave us our 32. And 31 down here, 30 seconds. That is the answer to that problem. Now let's look at if we're given, instead of two fractions, we're given a fraction and a whole number. Again, we need to put our whole number over 1. 5 is the same as 5 over 1. So now we're going to change this to a multiplication sentence, which is our first step. Flip the second fraction, then change it to multiplication. Now we're going to do 2 times 1 over 5 times 5. So we get 2 25ths, and that is in its most reduced form.